The home price index as a percentage change from the year 2003 in year t is represented by y equals p of t. So we're given y equals p of t, this weird function where the home price index, whatever that means, goes up and then peaks out and then goes down and levels out and blah, blah, blah. All right. What year does p prime of t equal 0? Well, p prime is the derivative. The derivative means slope. So when it's asking you when is the slope equal to 0, it's asking you when is the slope completely flat and horizontal. Okay, so I'm looking at this and I'm pretending slope is kind of like if I were to be on this thing riding a skateboard, where would my skateboard be completely flat? Well, always at the top of a hill or at the bottom of a valley is where it's going to be completely flat. Okay, I'm going up, going up, going up, going up, going up, and the minute that I hit the tippy top here, I am flat. That is the year 2006. So the year that my derivative is 0 is asking when is the year that my instantaneous slope, my instantaneous rate of change is horizontal, and that happens at the year 2006. Similar question, is p prime, so again, the slope, of 2008 positive, negative, or 0? So I'm going to this, I'm pretending I'm on my skateboard, and at 2008, right, I am going down this hill. So at that moment at 2008, I have a negative slope because my slope is going down and to the right. Now C is asking us to find the average rate of change from 2006 to 2008. So I'm going to look at those 2 points right there, 2006 and 2008. 2006 is right there. That's the point 2006, 40. 2008 is right there. That's the point 2008, 25. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the average rate of change formula, which is f of b minus f of a over b minus a. Okay, let me change my pen. There we go. We'll call the earlier year a because that usually makes sense. So you would be f of a. We'll call the later year b, so you'll be f of b, like so. And it's just a matter of plugging things in. F of b is 25, minus f of a is 40. Regular b is 2008. Regular A is 2006. 25 minus 40 is negative 15. 2008 minus 2006 is 2, and we could basically just call that negative 15 over 2. Unless you want to call it negative 7.5, that's perfectly fine. Now, why does this make sense? Well, going back over here, if I were to find the average rate of change, that's them asking you to find the slope between 2 points. So my slope would look something like this if I knew how to draw a straight line. And if I were normally, like back in Algebra 1, being asked to find the slope of a line, you would just take those 2 points and say, oh, okay, well, every time I go down 5. So down 5, 10, 15. And every time I go over 1. So over 2. Down 15, over 2, negative 15, over 2. Easy peasy. So yeah, that's how you do that problem. Lots of derivative stuff, but also lots of fun.